So that's it. It's time to leave this wonderful view and head back to the airport.
Boo!
Zoe's looking at the VIP tour book, thinking of what could have been.
For next time.
For next time.
There you go.
There it is.
Universal's famous Courthouse Square. I've seen them Back to the Future films.
Excuse our pile of rubbish in the background though.
That's everything that, yeah, we've dumped out the cases.
Empty bottles.
Yeah, empty
stuff like
bottles. Cereal that we didn't get through.
that. Zoe's neck fan that broke.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess we better head out. We are going to go and get our Uber back to LAX. It's time to go home. Don't want to go.
No, it's been amazing.
It has been really, really good.
It's been full on.
Oh God, yeah, it's been busy.
Absolutely exhausted, but it's been the best time.
It really has. And I hope you've enjoyed the vlogs. Let's bring you along, but it's not quite over yet.
Thanks for editing them all, filming and editing them all.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, it's not over though. We are going to take you along for our travel home day. Back to LAX.
It's a very full plane on the way back. Very full.
We were hoping for a row of 3 for us. No.
Like we had on the flight out.
No such luck. There is about 10 spare seats in the whole plane.
And most of them are premium and first. So.
Fingers crossed for an upgrade. I wouldn't say no. Although when I did check in, it did say, do you want to upgrade for first for £1,500 each?
Oh, bargain.
I mean...
No. Could come back.
This holiday's been expensive enough, let alone adding that on top.
Yeah.
But yeah, should we head out?
Let's do it.
I don't think if we just sit on the sofa and refuse to move, I don't think
No.
they'll be
I'm
best
going to miss
pleased.
that view though. That view
It is. I'll give you one last look at the view. Can't see too much, it's a bit smoggy and foggy out there today, but yeah.
Yeah, you can normally see the hills in the background, can't you?
You can just see one hill.
Yeah, I can't see the ones on the horizon.
Right.
3 hours later.
All checked in, bags dropped off, Earl of Sandwich
Acquired.
Better head through security now. We've got about an hour and a half to the flight. The queue to check the bags in was crazy long.
No, the length of the queue wasn't too bad. They had one check-in desk open for economy, so they were serving economy customers as and when the premium and upper class were free. But it just meant the premium queue was going ridiculously slow.
Yeah,
so
normal economy queue.
Just keep that in mind. Obviously, do arrive at least 3 hours before your flight because it took us an hour to get through.
But we've still got an hour and a half, so let's head on through security and we'll see you on the other side. So just waiting at our gate now. We're on Ruby Slipper today.
Yep. I don't think I've flown on Ruby Slipper.
I've not. So no. So just waiting for the boarding to start in about 10-15 minutes. And yeah, finished our other sandwich, didn't we? It was alright. It was decent.
Mine was like pre-made and pre-packaged. It wasn't the best.
You went for wrap, didn't you? You didn't go. It's not Earl of Wraps. It's Earl of Sandwich.
Yeah, I went chicken Caesar wrap. Had it plenty of times before Disney Springs, but yeah, this just wasn't as good as the freshly made ones. But never mind.
Oh well, it's filled a hole.
I'm being the negative one.
You are. That's some of the first negativity in the series.
No. It was fine. It's just it wasn't up to the usual expectations, standards.
But yeah, it's looking like quite a packed flight.
Very busy.
Yeah, we've got a row of 3, but yeah, someone's at the end, which is fine.
We had a spare seat coming out.
We did.
You can't have
Can't
it.
expect it
Can't
both
have it
ways.
all the time.
Yeah, we'll be on the plane soon. And then, yeah, we'll see you for a bit on the plane. show you what we've got for food and all that good stuff, and then
Yeah,
we're going to try to sleep.
I'm not entirely sure how it's going to work this flight because I've never flown home this early. So we're catching the 3:40 flight.
3:40 from LAX, yeah.
For the main reason of getting the nicer plane. So yeah, I don't know how it's going to work with food because it's normally either a morning flight out or you get a
Late flight
me
back.
personally, I tend to go for as late as possible. So you normally get like your dinner and then you get like breakfast in the morning. So
Be a surprise as to what we actually get.
yeah, and I think because this is a slightly longer flight, you get an extra meal. So we got like the toasty coming out, didn't we?
Oh, that was good toasting.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll let you know.
Yeah, we'll show you that and then see you at Heathrow, I guess.
Wonder what the temperature is back home. Although we are sat here in hoodies and jumpers.
It's actually not as warm today.
Yeah. A lot milder.
A lot milder. Like now we're leaving the British weather behind and hopefully taking some of the LA weather home.
I think we are.
I think summer's well and truly gone. Thanks LAX for calling us gorgeous.
That sounds more like Virgin.
Doesn't it?
Not saying it's not LAX, but
A few moments later.
And just like that, we're back at London Heathrow.
we've landed.
Flight was long, uncomfortable, but yeah, it was fine.
It was quicker than it should have been though.
It was about the length of a Florida flight. It was just over 9 hours, so yeah, not too bad at all.
I think it was like 9 hours 40 in the end. So.
Yeah, so yeah, it could be worse. Food, well, dinner was alright. Breakfast is never usually great, and it wasn't this time. But we're back. We're tired.
Ready to get back and see Prince and Beagle.
Yeah. But yeah, that marks the end of our California adventure. Sad to be back, but we had an awesome time.
Yeah, it's been really good.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the vlogs. Hopefully I'll enjoy putting them together. We've definitely enjoyed making them. So yeah, until the next adventure, if you're not already following me on social media, X is at Nathan Staker1, Instagram is at Nathan Staker, and Facebook is Nathan Staker 997. Where can people find you?
British Life UK on socials.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys. We shall see you real soon. Bye,
I'm off to
guys.
get some sleep.